Hey guys, we got a Hobie Wave here, and this is just going to be a quick video, just a quick video real quick on the Hobie Wave backrest here installation. So I picked up this set of backrest the other day. This Wave did not come with them on it. I had to take the boat apart to remove these stoppers that are positioned right there because there's a rivet on this side and that side of it, so you have to take the boat apart to drill those rivets out. But once you do that, you can put the boat back together. This would be a really good time to replace your trampoline if you needed to replace that. So you can pick up a trampoline aftermarket. This one was $350, I think, $329 from just an eBay provider. It's some sale shop, some boat store. I think it was called like Slow City or something. I'm not sure. I'll link the trampoline in the description below. But anyways, once you get those apart, you get your new trampoline on, stick it all back together, then you can slide your backrest in. And what the manual for the backrest says is to put a screw right here into the top of your hull to secure this from coming in and out. Back here it's not really tight, so you can see it just wants to pop in and out without that screw, right? Well, this isn't tight right here. This is loose, so it's coming out. But if you look up here, instead of doing all that, because I didn't want to put a hole in the top of this boat, I just tied a trucker's hitch. I just tied a knot, a bow line right here, and then looped it through itself. And that held on around the stopper on the pole here, on the backrest here. And then I tied it around the crossbar. And then I tied a real tight trucker's hitch. And that thing's not going anywhere. We went sailing on this thing yesterday. And the great thing about it is I could easily take it off, because today I'm doing a repair of the seat cushion. So I got a new seat cushion here. I just shot that video, so that video should be on the internet already, so check that out. But yeah, now I can just slide these armrests on and off very easily, backrest, and you know, tie them up with a trucker's hitch with a couple, like, keep 4 pieces of line in the vehicle or in the truck, and you know, Bob's your uncle. If there's no wind or there's lots of wind, you know, you can make that decision to take the backrest on or off. You know, if you have passengers, sometimes it's nice to have the backrest. If it's light wind, it's really nice to have the backrest. If you're trying to go for a sporty sail, you take the backrest off. Either way, hopefully this video helped. I've never seen anybody do it this way. I've never heard anybody talking about it, but it works just fine. Try it out. Like and subscribe if this is helpful, guys. I picked up this Hobie cat for Wave for pretty cheap. But I just got this Hobie Getaway. So if you are interested in these style of boats and are looking for content online, there's not a lot. So, you know, go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm going to do the trampoline on this boat soon. It's worn down. There's a good tramp on it already, but it's kind of dirty, so I might replace that too. Definitely going to have to replace the trampoline covers on this. I've got some ideas for that. I might not use replicas. I might do something a buddy of mine was talking about, maybe use some of the same material as the Hobie Wave seat cushion and use that for the cushions up there to make that a little bit more comfortable, because this is not soft, this is just hard aluminum, so it might be nice to have a little cushion right there. So that might be the way to go with that. So I'll let you know how it goes, and we'll keep the videos updated. So thanks, guys.